health heroes, let me ask you something. What if I told you, right now, your liver might be quietly crying for help, but you won't feel pain, you won't hear a sound, and yet it is working overtime to keep you alive. Now imagine this. Your liver is like that one overworked staff in a hospital who never goes on a leave, never complains, but is handling everything from detox to digestion, hormone balance, fat metabolism, everything. And then we stress it with fried foods, sugar, alcohol, random medications, and still expect it to perform like a superstar. My health heroes, that's not fair. But here's the good news. Your liver is one of the few organs in the body that can actually repair itself if you give it the right support. So today, I'm going to show you powerful everyday foods that help repair and protect your liver. And trust me, some of them are already in your kitchen. Stay with me till the end, because number 6 might shock you. And number 8, that one is a game changer. And you know how we do it here, where real nursing meets real life. Alright, let's just. Now the first food that helps your liver is leafy greens. This one is your liver's natural cleansers. You know vegetables like ugu, pumpkin, spinach, bitter leaf. Those ones are not just eat your vegetables vibe, so they actually help your liver neutralize toxins. Think of them like cleaners that help sweep out dirt before it clogs your system. They reduce fat buildup in the liver. They help flush harmful substances. They support detox naturally. So next time you're cooking soup, don't be stingy with your greens. So the next food that helps your liver is avocado. This one is soft powerhouse. Now let's talk about avocado. That creamy goodness. This is not just bread and pear enjoyment though. Avocado actually helps your liver produce something called glutathione. And glutathione is your body's master detox chemical. It helps repair damaged liver cells. It reduces inflammation. It supports overall liver healing. Basically, avocado is like giving your liver a soft pillow after a long stressful day. The third food that supports your liver is garlic. This one is small but mighty. Garlic, that tiny thing that announces itself before entering the room. Garlic activates liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. It helps remove harmful substances. It supports detox pathways. It contains compounds that protect liver cells. So yes, your food might smell strong, but your liver will be smiling. Next up is citrus fruits. Your liver's wake-up call. Is it oranges, lemons, limes? Those fruits are like friend who says, wake up, let's fix your life. They are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help your liver clean itself more efficiently, remove inflammation, fight oxidative stress. You see warm lemon water in the morning. It is simple, right? But very powerful. The fifth food that we are looking at, which helps your liver, are nuts, especially walnuts. Now don't underestimate these small snacks. Walnuts are packed with healthy fats and amino acids that help the liver detox. They support cleaning process. They reduce liver fat. They improve overall liver function. Just a handful is enough and not a whole container. The sixth food that supports your liver health is fatty fish, which is known as the anti-inflammatory boss. Fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines. These ones are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. They reduce liver fat. They lower inflammation. They protect against liver disease. And if your liver has been under stress, this is like sending a repair team. The seventh food that supports your liver health is olive oil. And this one is a gentle protector that is underrated. Olive oil helps reduce fat accumulation in the liver and improves enzyme levels. They support better fat metabolism. They protect liver cells. They help detox process. But please, don't deep fry everything with it though. Use it wisely. The eighth food that supports your liver health is green tea. And this one is a silent healer. This one is powerful though. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that protects the liver from damage. It helps reduce fat buildup. It improves liver enzymes levels. It fights inflammation. It's like giving your liver a calm spa day. By the way, if you're learning something new already, just tap that like button so more people can see this. And if you're part of this amazing family, my health heroes, comment liver K so I know you're taking your health seriously. Now the ninth food that supports your liver health is apple. This one is a gentle detox support. You heard things like an apple a day, but now you know why. Apple contains fiber that helps remove toxins from making your liver's job easy. It supports detox process. It reduces toxin load. It helps overall digestion. And your liver is like, thank you for the support though. Now take food that supports your liver health. Carrots and beets. These ones are the blood cleansers. They are colorful fruits rich in antioxidants and plant compounds. They help cleanse the liver. They help improve blood flow. They support detoxification. Think of them as internal washing machines. So my dearest health heroes, imagine your liver like a faithful worker. Every day it shows up. Every day it cleans, repairs, protects, even when you're not doing your part. Now the question is, will you start supporting it back? Because it is not about one magic food. It's about small daily choices that quietly save your life. If you want more simple health tips like this, make sure you subscribe to Global Nurse Grace and turn on your notification bell. And please share this video. Someone out there needs to hear this today. And as you go about your day making better choices, one meal at a time, just know I'm here rooting for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.